How to fix Tavern Keeper crashing on Steam. Right-click on the game in your library, open up the Properties window, go to General tab, add the following command to launch options: DX11 to use the stable DirectX version, 11 in this case. Go to Installed Files and then click on Verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Now, once this is done, it might download some files. And once it's done, you can close out of Steam and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app on your computer. Go to the drivers section, select Game Ready driver and download and install the latest version. You can also try to reinstall the latest version if it is already installed. And once you're done, close this, and before restarting your system, you will need to also install redistributables. So you can open up your browser, search for redist, click on the first link, and then scroll down to the second table. Download and install both of these, the 86 and the 64. And once you install or repair existing installations for these redistributables, then you will need to restart your system by clicking on the restart button. Now, once your system is restarted, just run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then you can simply launch the game from your library, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.